Good morning. 早晨，早晨。Today is the second day of our Dongguan trip. I like this hotel. Like 鍾意hotel 酒店 The room is spacious. 房 room 房 spacious 寬敞 Bed is comfortable. Bed 床 comfortable 舒服 Television 電視機 Curtain 窗簾 Today is sunny. 今日好天，今日有陽光。Have a great day. Bye bye.